My dad is snoring. He's ugly though. Dad. Padre. Papa. Dad. Why are you snoring? He won't answer me. He won't answer me. Answer! Bye-bye.